Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. So you guys, following the previous episode of Utando Nestembu, people were left shocked after Umusam Seleku finally opened up about her sister, her one and only sister Unompumelelo, who people were wondering where is she, because this is the only sister that Umusam Seleku actually has. So Unompumelelo appeared, I think, on the earliest seasons of Utando Nestembu, if I'm not mistaken, you guys, and they actually had, like a good relationship. Unompumelelo did not appear as much as the other ladies. It was more of a cameo thing, a storyline thing, and I think she was, getting paid for her appearances. Now, when she stopped appearing for quite a lot of seasons, people were wondering where is she. So Umusam Seleku opened up about her sister's his relationship with her sister rather, and he revealed something. He says that her sister started consulting, like she started to consult Izangoma, or it seems, or allegedly she went to like consult, it seems like Izangoma probably told her that Umusam Seleku is let me just use the word chemical engineering. He's like trying to ukutwala guys, something like that, in order for him to attain the wealth that he has. One thing about Sangomas is that they will tell you that someone close to you is the one who is bewitching you, so that your life can be stagnant, stuff like that. And Umusam Seleku opened up and says that their relationship became strained after Usiswake went ezangomeni, and allegedly Umusam Seleku is the one using imiti or chemical engineering on her sister to enrich himself. Basically, you guys, that's what Umusam Seleku mentioned on the previous episode of Utando Nestembu. You guys, anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.
So Dumela, let us start with the elephant in the room. Also, my apologies, it's hectic. First and foremost, if you are related to Mseleku family and you know Khoro, you're going to be touched by us talking about a show that was brought on national TV where we are paying and watching, please pass, guys. We cannot be telling you every day, Cinderella, like it's exhausting, honestly. But the elephant in the room. Remember, we were asking ourselves, what is happening between Umseleku and his sister? Because the sister should be the one. If you've never been married, you won't get it. Nonetheless, it has been discovered Uguti Usisi uyabane disagreement or something happened between Yena and Umusam Seleku, right? And upon that something happening Yena and Umusam Seleku, instead of them sitting down by lungise wayagupi kumakhosi makafika kumakhosi vele wathi there by the yard your brother is busy ka wena ka. Okay, and honestly it's very seldom, guys. I've never heard about it. It's very seldom. I have never heard about it where they would say a person went to a Sangoma to consult and the Sangoma said to that person, but no, you are here because of how you behave. You are here because of this and this and this. Look at the mirror, look at yourself. Umselegu was spot on that one. The Sangoma will seldomly say, look at yourself. It will be something that you have to do to attract Idlozi, to apologize Idlozi, or Oloiwe. And Olowe or somebody that is close to you. Every time. And a local kose omnyama dala is starting same winking. And at this point, my aunt is the oldest. Oh no, it's not the oldest. Kim me wako next door. Kiku next door. But soon usually it's my aunt. The lucky thing my aunt is not dark in color. Mara once oba monthunyana wa itse gore ai kwena o fanga lefelo. So sometimes when people consult, it's sad because we know a family will break from that situation. And it's sad when a brother and a sister, or when siblings are the ones that are divided. At this point, I feel sorry for Umseleku because he needs family more than anything, because I think his sister would be the one that would hear him and feel for him more than his wives. Yes, his wives love him, but at this point, there's a battle that they are all fighting. We understand that would make them not be equally yoked, if for a lack of a better word. But we now know ukuthi Usisi has ran because of by Musa Mseleku.